here he goes. When they start, we're going to give them the biggest cheering that we can do.
Let's go, guys. Make some noise when they get going.